Díomh cardja is me Brónagh agus Fuiseoige and Ciorcal fuála. Today we're going to be making some St. Patrick's Day badges. This is some of the materials that you should have in your pack. This is for this badge and then for this badge. So if you just take your stencil and trace it onto the bondo web that you have, then iron that onto the light green felt, and then you iron that on to the circle. Use the circle stencil to cut out 2 circles from these. Iron the light one on to one circle, and on the other circle, if you attach the large brooch pin that you have to the back, then you just put the 2 of them together and you use your blanket stitch that we've been using. And you just continue it the whole way around until you get your badge like this. And then for the next badge, you would cut out the shamrock template and pin it onto these 2 green bits of felt. Cut them out, and on the back of one again put the small brooch pin. And then if you just use your blanket stitch again to work your way around, and that'll give you a badge like this. And that's just your St. Patrick's Day badges.